All right, we got a CN eastbound coming down the line with 8936 and 2802. Symbol on this train is CN-Z148. The Z148 originates from the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois, heads east to the intermodal terminal in Brampton, Ontario, where it terminates. All on this National Train Day, May 10th, 2025, Denton to London Railfanning on YouTube. And yep, today is officially National Train Day, folks. So happy National Train Day. It's usually a North America holiday that happens on the second weekend of May. Also, we got two other cool trains coming later. We got a grain train G874, which has double DPUs. Then we have CN Q122, which is gonna have a brand new SD75I ACC leading, that being 8311. So I hope I get G874 and 122 today. I should be able to. Excuse me, I just burped. There's the end of CN Z148. We got a Southern Pacific, I reckon a Conrail quality one. Off it goes to Brampton. Alright, we got CN G874 coming down the line with 2875 leading. Yeah, horn salute. And 3238 trailing. A 100-year local unit. Alright. And yep, this is G874. The G874 originates from various locations in Saskatchewan, heads east to somewhere in the Quebec region where it terminates. It might be going to Montreal. A lot of P&H grain hoppers. Double DPUs, I see you. There's the ex-BNSF unit again. There's the ex-BNSF unit again. That being 4960. So we got 3107 and 3825. Double DPUs, alright! That ex-BNSF unit that's switching right here used to be BNSF 2317. It used to be BNSF 2317. And there's the end of G874. Off it goes to somewhere in Quebec. Alright, we got CN Q122 coming down the line with a brand new SD75i ACC leading. That being 8311 and trailing second is 2648. I relocated from the Highbury Street Bridge. I relocated from that Highbury Bridge to here at the roundabout at Hale and Trafalgar. And yep, this is Q122. The Q122 originates from the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois, heads east to Montreal, Quebec at the Tasha Yard where it terminates. Wow, this train is going faster than 148. There's the end of CN Q122 way over there. Off it goes to Montreal. Alright, we got a CN eastbound coming down the line with 3117 leading and 2847 trailing. Symbol on this train is CN Q122. No. Symbol on this train is CN. I said it wrong. Symbol on this train is CN M302. The M302 originates from the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba. This train originates from the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba. heads east to goes through the states and heads east to the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, where it terminates. There goes the switchers. IC 9607. DPU, alright. 2924. We have a little bit of potash cars. IC 9607 and XBNSF CN 49 and XBNSF CN 4960 are the powers that are switching in the yard right now. And there's the end of CN M302 way over there. Off she goes to Toronto. All right, we got a CN westbound coming down the line. With 8012, 5606. 5610 and 4785. Symbol on this train is CN-A425. Yeah, symbol on this train is CN-A425. The A425 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. Heads west. This train originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, heads west to Sarnia, where it terminates. This is the other side of the roundabout bridge. A lot of racks on this train. There's the end of CNA4. There's the end of CNA 425 right over there. Off it goes to Sarnia. Well guys, this will be it. I hope you enjoyed my National Train Day video. Once again, happy National Train Day. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace to you.